let's learn how to play an E chord. Starting on your second finger, I want you to place that on the first fret, third string. Don't use your first finger. Take your third finger and place it on the fifth string of the second fret, and then your fourth finger on the fourth string of the second fret. Down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down. Take your fingers off and put them back on again. First fret, third string, second finger. Third finger, second fret, fifth string. On the second fret, fourth string, the fourth finger. Good job.